Since Kia launched the Stinger, the sports car has received a lot of praises for the performance which it has to offer. The Stinger is just an eye candy in the market right now, as it can burst into speed and being fun to drive, all while being affordable to own at the same time. But of course, performance is not everything in the car scene. This is what makes the Stinger extra special, because it has an interior of the highest quality. Kia was not lying when they revealed that the cabin quality of the Stinger can rival the luxury cars from Germany. Now, we can add one more to the list of perks with the Stinger, and it is with the engine note that the car can produce. One unit of the Stinger GT with 400 Whp on a dyno test emits some of the best sound around, and you should give it a listen through the link below.